This is what I have right now, aka what I have right now. I should be focusing more on this like screen more than I'm focused on the desktop screen. So I'll just be living in here for the time being, and I'll only go over here whenever I need to see the console. Uh, so let's get started. I did a little bit of stuff in like the last 10 minutes. Right here, just because I need to see the screen width of this so I know that it's more accurate to my phone. I'm choosing 400 because I think that's like a good medium point between like pro size screens and like max size screens. I don't know. I may oh gosh. I may extend it a little bit more. Okay. Can I make that into a signal? I don't think I can. Fine. You just keep reminding people that the US invented fortune cookies and fajitas. Ah, crap, my camera. Please. Hold up. Fortune cookies, I believe. But fajitas? Americans did not invent fajitas. What? Americans didn't invent fajitas. Huh? Hold up. Who invented fajitas? That's impossible. But rather evolve. Okay, Mexico. It was made in Mexico. Huh? I don't think you understand. You haven't been to Texas. Texas is Mexico. It was made in Mexico. Americans didn't make fajitas. I knew that. And besides, okay, look, it said, all right, Mexican American ranch workers. Dog, who? Okay, like I said, you have not been to Texas. Who do you think Mexican American ranch workers are? All right, okay, Mexico. Okay, so um, let's get started. Um, I'm scared because I'm just gonna start throwing stuff in. But the more I think about this right here, it's probably going. I need to call in these cons. Oh gosh, products. Do something like that. Cons, products. Yes. So here is going to be. I don't know how I'm going to select this actually. All right, hold up. Products. Uh, uh, something like that. Why does this keep on going out? Hold up. I'll be back. Hold up. No, I won't. I'll just keep. Do I turn off my phone? Would that help? It's really a. What the heck? What the heck? Stop doing that. All right, disconnect. You're doing too much. I'm still here. I'm figuring out this phone situation. Oh, because it's too hot. Cool, disconnect. Hold up. All right. Please. Okay. 3, 2, 1.9, 1.8, 1.7, 1.6. What the heck? This is trash. How did this even the same size? I'm leaving it like this. Anyways, I'm gonna keep this like this. It, how can I do this logic? Products dot. Uh, it's that's like squibbling, quibbling, quibbling. African American, or if you maybe consider yourself never that, never that. Let's I need to. No, 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 no. How am I gonna do this logic? Hold up. What does this data model look like? Uh, so like dot. What am I gonna? Wait, how would I do that? I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. But what I was trying to do was like, yes, this pulls the first product and gets its name. Cool. But like line. No. This dot. And this dot line. Crap. Line. Something with the line. Line. What? That that makes no sense. Fine. Okay, I'm just gonna move on. But that doesn't change. Mm. So, okay, the next thing I want to try is like one of the longer ones to show up. Not too bad. Let's keep it on like 5. All right. So like we have this top section right here. It doesn't look one to one, but I think I like this better. Could move it up some more. Dashboard container. Uh, top zero. Is that possible? No. Position none for loop. Uh, do it. Yes, do it. Uh, Never mind. This is gonna do it. Crap. What did I do? Oh, it's cool. Okay. 60. Oh my gosh. 80, please. Police. All right. Let's do it like that. That looks a whole lot better. What does this look like on bigger screens? Moment of truth. Boom. Mm, max width. Max width. 600 or 800. Let's do that. Now it looks. I'll do a media query for this. Um, but let's start here. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. But this is 80 now. Problem line status container. Let's start a new one called problem container. Class problem container. Problem details. Problems. Uh, pro what? Problem container. There's a more shorter hand way to do this. Problem matter. H2 down here. Problems. I do not want peace, only problems. Mm, Problem action button. Let's do that. And first off, first off, no, no. This is gonna be a modal, but for now, can I just do like a man? Ooh, that would require crap. Like add to the list. Add problem. That would be something. Thank you for adding that. But also not refresh problems. It would be problem history. But uh, add problem history. Let's do a clock. A clock. What's clock? Come on, you can do it. You know, since yesterday, where I took that, what is wrong with you? Ah, I broke it. Hmm? Since yesterday, when I took my little hiatus from like coding with AI, and instead yesterday I coded like manually, I think I'm gaining back a little bit of like my coding rhythm. Coding with AI and like having it just handle all like the lines of code breaks up my rhythm. Please. The home page doesn't even work? Alright, dude. Um, Unicode. Unicode characters. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I think this is my New Balance. No pun intended. But I think this is going to be an alarm. I think I might like this one. Copy. Boom. And then add. Add. Really? Include. Really? There's not like an add button? The heck? Not all browsers support them? Why is my camera doing this? This is trash. Mm. Well, if anything, I'm just gonna go to fine. This simplifies a whole bunch of stuff. I'm just gonna go here. The heck is that? Boom. Oh. Um. mhm. I think I prefer this one over. I'm not really a big fan of material. Yes. Yes. A bunch of these. And problem. CLG problem added. CLG problem added. Hooray. Please let me out. Let me out. Let me out. All right. Hold up. Thank you. All right. As a new one. Why is that there? Now, problem history. I think I had it. Uh, CLG problem history. Do that. Just have that. Boom. Boom. What does this look like? Oh, crap. I broke it. Maybe because I don't. What? Oh, they don't have color. How do I add color? Oh, gosh. Fill color. What? No. Switch loops. Easy. No. Is it fill color? Just fill. Is fill color a React only thing? You're kidding. What? Because these are here. Maybe it's the this. Alright. I'll add that back. Not a React thing. What is the syntax for this? How do I add color to SVGs? So I think the view box is good. The size is good. It's the color. Phil, thank you. What? Well, if black didn't show up, then that's not gonna show up. All right. Thank you. Nothing is working. Much of it. Let's do that. Oh, it doesn't have a size. Oh, actually, what am I doing? For these, give them that. Give them that and have a fill up, please. Yes. 25 just to see. Uh, uh, border none. Oh, well, they're buttons. So, dot border none. Please and thank you. I like that. Oh, uh, buttons. Please and thank you. Oh my gosh. What makes this different? This sucks. Action buttons. Button. Thank you. Oh, thank you. It worked. Oh, crap. Problem, action, buttons, action, buttons, div, flex, do that. Whoa. What? Oh, come on. Problem, action, buttons, don't care about that. What I really want to do is H2 and then have that be a display of flex too, so it ends up being on the same line. It's not gonna do it. Oh crap. 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 Is that gonna do it? No. Uh. Your page has all blue buttons, so for these icons, you could try round button when white fill on. Has all blue buttons. So for these, oh, you could try. It's set to white, and then wait, what the heck? What the heck? Huh? Where did we go wrong? Hey. Oh, for this problem header. Oh, it's on the problem head. Oh, what am I doing? Doi. So for this, what? So for this, do that. No, around, between, but just have padding on the padding. Uh, 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 That'll be fine for now. I think this fits best. Yes. Okay. So did it do it? Did it do it? Is it gonna do it? Haha. All right. So just do that. Where else are we gonna go with this? So now that we have the header done, ooh, what we could do is send this up. Send this up. Hold up. Because how this is looking, I don't think having that on the bottom is really gonna be all that like cute. What we could do before we even get to the problems, in here, in the line status container, do a progress container because there's going to be a progress bar in here. Progress bar. Oh, snap. Oh, it's going to be on a different thing. Progress container. Move. Progress container. This. Where are we? Sorry. Progress container. Do all that. Ooh. I want. This is. Hold up. Progress class. Progress bar. Yes. Progress bar. Progress. Disgusting. Where did this green come from? What? No! Color. Background. What is the. Hold up. How would I change the color of uh, the fill color Actually, I kinda don't care about it because what I'm gonna do, I'm setting up, like, the skeleton of it, progress. I'm setting up the skeleton of it. I kinda don't care about this. What I'm gonna do is have Claude do it. Alright, what we're gonna do right here is, yes, the progress bar is gonna be right here, but I'm setting all this up. Estimated time remaining, um, this is going to be the heck is that? Oh, this is disgusting. And prettier isn't even engaging. What? Progress container should what? Do I even have problem container? Do I have problem container? No, I don't. Problem container. Do that. That's gonna mess ev it didn't. Interesting. S- Why are you doing this to me? Everything is in here. Dashboard container. Alright. Display flex and have it be a flex column of that. Since you don't want to act right. Oh, you dirty dog. Huh? Sorry. This song I was playing was absolute garbage. Uh, I think what I need to do now. What is causing this? These two are ending up on the same line. Oh no. Oh no. No, no, no. Yeah, no. What the heck? You end up on your line? This should be its own div. That's why it's doing that. Yuck. Okay. So progress container. Let's actually have that have a flex column of flex direction of column. And everything in here has a gap of 10. Yes, give it some space to breathe. Um, this is gonna look different. What this is gonna say is it's gonna be a p tag, estimated time remaining, and then this is gonna be estimated time remaining. Let's put this up here. Estimated time remaining string 4 days. Do that. But this is gonna calculate like the projected time, whatever. Just to have that set up so when Claude sees it, it'll just assume that okay, this should actually track this in real time based off of like analytics or what. Anal. This is not as wide as it was before. The analytics of it. Does it still work? Okay. I think it's pretty evident that this coffee is kind of working. Maybe it's because I have my rhythm back because I'm not using a chat. When did you get up there? What's in your mouth? Are you okay? Okay. Okay, have fun. What is that? Where'd you get that from? Anyways, nothing. I know what it is. Uh, what what else needs to be here? Quantity? Oh, this is even smaller. Hold up. This says class. Estimated time, but this says no. This is quanti quanti quantity. This is like mm, no. Order quantity. Uh, current quantity. I don't know. Uh, current quantity, order quantity. Do something like that. Have that be dot quantity. Yes, but no. Text align. Please work. Thank you. Okay. Um.
This doesn't look like I want it to look, but Claude is gonna clean that up. I have to like reprogram my brain to do that. So like problem list. Okay, you're gonna have problems. Pro- Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh. Oh. This is gonna be another one. So, problems is gonna be that, and then do that. Oh gosh, what's the difference? How did I mess this up? Does it really? It really knows. How does this know? Collection ID. Problems. How does this know? Name and stuff. Oh. Mm, I'm just putting this as a placeholder. Hello. Okay, so what's the problem with this? Problems, problems. Uh, give me a second. Still here. Sorry. I had a concentration break. Hold up. Please disconnect. Hmm? Hmm? Now my camera isn't working. Please work. Please work. I might need to make some more coffee. Or just focus. That doesn't work. Yes? Uh, camera list stream? Oh gosh. My camera might be messed up now. Really showing on the screen. Oh gosh. I need to uh Restart my phone? I know what truly the problem is. It's just cool. Oh, we're back. Are we back? See, I knew I messed it up. Crap. Now I have to minimize this. Uh, this is back to the original size. Wow. Or the good size. The good size. Can I get an explanation? Fix it. You need to change the type. All right, cool. Just anything in the world. Just anything. For now, I'm not gonna make this a habit. Please don't judge me. Problem listings, all this stuff. Problem listing. Listing or listings? Listing. Yes. How did that take that away? What? You. You. All right. Go to the new line. Huh? Um, I'm terrible at blocking this. Where did where did why is it still okay. So if I'm in here for all of these problems, problem name, problem is that the data model for that? Oh, this is horrible. Yeah, because I don't want to do that. I messed up. Okay, that's good enough. Eh, good enough. Please, thank you. Okay, I think that's the thing because wait, if I go here, and I go here, same thing. Um, well, what is the data model here? Problem interface. They should be able to make problems. So before I start listing stuff, I don't want to do this manually. That's so boring. Important. Good. Um, I don't know what's going on anymore. I really don't. Sorry. Because, like, time added, date. I need to get used to doing this. It's just okay. This add problem thing is gonna open up a modal, and I want to go about doing it with this like modal service, modal inject. No, please do the modal service. Do the modal service. Modal service. Thank you. Fun fact, manual also comes from hand. I've been thinking like English is just like unnecessarily hard, and I understand that it's like Germanic or whatever, but like learning Spanish is so much easier because it just makes so much sense to like the human aspect of things. I don't know why, but like in Spanish, this is mano. Like And then everything like because manual is like handbook, mono, manual, handbook. It makes more sense than English. It just does. And that's why learning Spanish is just so much easier because everything just makes sense. You just got to think about it like at a more human level. Like siento, sentiment, it makes sense. Besides like feelings, feelings doesn't make sense. Siento does. But I feel like not just borrowing words, Spanish is a Latin rooted like language. And Latin is it just makes more sense than Germanic languages. Is this working? Only because I don't know that the language that feel comes from. Hold up. Let's do some research. What language does feel come from? This is very different from feel. This right here, this is very different from feel. Very different from feel. All right. Very different from feel. This could also be a felony. Thank you. Like it's all no. This is proving my point. These things don't get mixed up in Latin. What language is this derived from? French? Scourger. Traitor. Oh, this is cool. What is premium? I don't know why I just keep on going to like premium, like the premium tabs and like the pricing tabs now. I don't know why. Enjoy ad-free browsing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Um, uh, this is gonna suck. Okay, how's this service done? Because right now this is only handling the sign in. Open. What is this gonna be named? Problem modal. All right. Open it up. Open it up. What is it gonna say? Private, show problem signal, show problem, do that. And then yes. Now I should make where is this ngc problem form? I should probably make a form folder. My name is like Baltic Celtic. Where is this at? Let's go here. Oh, it's actually Scottish. I knew it meant handsome, but my last name is probably Baltic Celtic. I remember or something. Comely? What the heck? Of a what? What even? What year was this used? Like, when did this stop becoming out of stock? Usage years. Usage years. How do people do that? Nah, nah, that doesn't make sense in 2025. Um, where's this tab at? Pleasing in appearance. Thing. So this can be comely. I'm really just procrastinating on this whole thing. Hold up. Let me at least try to focus. Okay. I don't know if this should be a component. Forms problem. Please make a folder doing that. Please. Thank you. You're amazing. Okay. So at least I am making some headway on getting familiar with the terminal. Also, I'm gonna have to import. Wait, where's pro, pro, oh gosh. Well, that makes sense. That makes sense. Oh, you like the progress bar? Thank you. Thank you. That's courtesy of my OS. Um, this is that I've made. Man, this process has been minimal, but thank you. Um, so how am I gonna go about this? Because when I open this up, like, okay, this is gonna say problem added, but this should say what? Open problem modal. So once the Oh crap. How? How? How's this handle here? Uh, uh, no. Yes. Show demo. But like, okay. Wait a minute. Open. No, 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 no. This has something entirely different. Is this something that's like global? Open that, and then in opening that, where in there? Where in this? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. Yet. Open login modal. But in my login modal, set that to true, show login. Okay, fine. Uh, open problem modal. What does that do? Nothing. I'm not setting this up right. But what does this do? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Where can I track this back to? Services. Oh, let's go here. Open up. So like, show problem. Ooh, right. Login component is included. How about I do this? I do that. Oh gosh. How and where and problems. Yes, it is. Crap. Within the template of the app? What do you mean? There's something on the home that says show login. I don't remember where it is. Show demo is something else. Something else. Where does this say this on show? If show login, yes, this part. Boom. This right here. Oh gosh. Wait. So if I do, hold up. Is this in here too? Man, this sucks. Okay. So it's doing this whole thing. Now I need, yes, 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 yes. Yes, keep on doing stuff. Keep on doing stuff. Yes. Crap. Do something. Do it. Come on. Show problem. Open problem modal. Open. mm, Uh-oh. If I try to export this class, cool, it does that. Now I need you. Oh, wait. Oh, is it open? All right. Crap. 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 Where'd the other one go? Thank you. Sorry, but I think I set up this open or this modal service incorrectly. Can you help me set up this problem? Because I said that I wasn't gonna use AI for this, but like this is like this is problem modal and maybe even fix the modal service if needed. IDE disconnected. Hey, I don't know what this means, or if I need to close it. This sucks. Replace that with what? First off, what are all the this I can close. This I can close for now. I can close this for now. This, this, and this, and this. So really, I'm just in here. Replace with reactive form. Title, description, do that. I'm actually gonna let you handle all that. Mhm. Hmm? Hmm? It says to do this in my TypeScript, but I'm not understanding. Shouldn't this be in my HTML? I'm gonna trust it. A service. Hold up. Hold up. Wait. I don't want to keep on making services. Oh, okay. I'm gonna end up having more services than components at this point. It's gonna keep on just making specific services that don't even make sense. Wow, that makes sense. What's the? Oh no! Wait. Uh, severity line ID. Now if I go up here, it's pro. What? Huh? Remedies. See, that may be jumping the gun or jumping features. Concocting. Be right back. All right. Never mind. I'm not fully back. Wait a minute. Okay. Uh, think I'm back. Give me a second. Oh gosh. Oh, okay, fine. What I may do is take a wee bit of a break. Just a mental break. Take about, I don't know, a couple hours. I don't know. Well, let's try to push through. Crap. It's because this isn't. I don't know why this isn't connected anymore. The build is successful. Is it? What? Yes. Why not just do npm start? The heck? Thank you. All right. Continue. I don't know. Continue that thought. I'm ready to continue. Some option. Um. List out. Plan. After this, if this works, is working. Uh, and it's not. Did anything get added though? Oh, a lot of stuff got added. Make sure the problem modal works whenever I click the add problem button on my dashboard. You know what I like? I'm noticing, and that is crazy right now. I think this may be a better place to put the Claude Code extension because at this point, I'm not even coding. Notice how there's no code anywhere to be put on the screen. I would have to like tab over, but like it's just better to have this take up the entire part where code would be. Looks properly connected, but it's not. It is not. I think this may be a glimpse into the future for like most programmers at this point. Like, why even have these tabs even like semi open? Just have Claude be right here and just talk to it and just have like a visual thing of what is going on right here. The problem modal should work, but it's not. It doesn't. It doesn't. I promise you, it doesn't.
What does it say here? It made sure to tell me, hey, this is closed. Well, I, I don't know what I was doing wrong before. Oh, wow, thank you. Wow, thank you. Now take this crap off. Uh, where are we? Dashboard? Is this in the dashboard? Where are you? All right, inspector. Inspector. Oh, this is like aside from that. It's maybe in my app, HTML. Well, thanks for the memories and everything, but you gotta get out of here. Uh, oh, what was that link to? Show problem? Show problem. Oh, bye. So now we have this, and we want that to be there, but it's not showing up because it needs to die and then start again. Because there's no reason why I should have all that random text because I updated that already. Thank you. So it's right here. Should be listed like, okay, mold, not. What does it say? Wait. Problem. Where is that coming from? Oh, oh, in my dashboard HTML. So we have this. Maybe I'm not pulling it correctly. Whenever I come here, problems. Where is it? Mold not closing. Which file is that in? Crap. Huh? This is just the form. I'm gonna come back here. I messed up. Go back there. Okay. I thought I had ended my stream. Where are you saying this at?
Honestly. Huh? Is this on? Hmm. 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 No, not closing. Why are you still showing this? Hey, yo, big dog. This is coming from where? Problem name. So it's somewhere in this listing right here. Wait, no. The this somewhere in here from problems. It's actually accurate. I don't like this crap. Okay. I forgot that this exists. I forgot that that exists. So it's doing the right thing. Um, I might as well keep that like that. Mode not closing. F1. Do that. Hi. Critical. You can go. Uh, create. What? What? So what's in here? Hey you. Oh no. This should no, not that. Created by should be this user ID. What? User. How the heck? No. That's not gonna fix anything. Huh? She didn't fix anything. Uh, key points. How about this? Submit problem. Cons. Current user. This user. Current user. Uh, ID. What the heck? Claude. Hmm, what else? Yes, the line ID is actually great. Uh, uh No, I worded that wrong. It's gonna show the ID of the user in problem listing now. Oh no. Oops. I know that saved. I suck. That looks better. Dashboard, HTML. Swipe that. I don't need that either. Just do that. That's what it wasn't letting me do. Huh? Yes, fix that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Any. Claude is already starting to cook. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, a triple. Can I add timestamps to here? I want to add timestamps. Timestamps, timestamps, timestamps. Yes. 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 Sorry. Mold not closing. Closing not mold. Now. Oh, gosh. Really? Name. Oh. Uh, bye. You served a great purpose. Um, Gone but not forgotten. Okay, so what were the other ones that I had? She falling out of chains. One medium chains out. Do that. Yes. Ooh, can we also? Is this by coincidence? Maybe. I misspelled that. I want to be able to sort them. Observable. Sort them. Sort them. By severity. Yeah, do you? Oh my gosh. I hate this. That didn't fix anything.
These aren't even numbers. Severity. Oh, wait. Severity. Huh? Alright. Please fix something. What? Oh, that's not. That's not. And here. Uh, created by. Whoa. Email. Uh, replace that with that. Created by email. Oh, don't start that. Please don't start that. Okay. Wow, easy, simple. Let's try another one. Because maybe there's let me just jog its memory on how to do things properly. Buttons crushing. Low. It's just going by a created date. Or not even the created date, sorry. The this is not sorting them. This is not being deleted on the page by Ooh. What time is it there? Yeah. Um, thank you for being here. Um, enjoy your nap. Also, it's pretty late there. It's like 10 o'clock there. Oh, get a good night's rest. How about that? You deserve it. Um, thank you. Thank Claude. And thank you. Um, I'll continue to work. And once I get done with this, I'll transition over to the blog. We can start that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Good night. Good night. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Need to import the map. Is it okay? Okay. We'll do that. That works. Change line status. Where's change line status in here? So also, whenever I do that, and in the database, whoa, import a dot and get dot and dot. How about that? Hello? I did this for you. Huh? Line ID data line. Huh? This didn't do it. So basically, this line ID is gonna be it, but it needs to come from whichever get line name. How are we doing that? Oh my gosh. Are you okay? Did I do something wrong? But more importantly, are you okay? How's life been? Oh, I thought I had did something wrong. I had messaged you on Discord. You didn't say anything. Uh, right now I'm just funny enough, you come back whenever I get back to trying to manually code things. Um, I'm making the dashboard for from Discord and all of social media. Oh, what inspired it? I salute you and I applaud you in doing so. But what inspired it? Mm, let's do it like that. But I need to actually get the update update doc update doc. That's not it. Thank you. All right. What's the problem? Oh gosh. Okay. Didn't like the habit of just randomly checking it. True. True. That is a dangerous habit because then it just becomes muscle memory and there's nothing to check at all. And then you're just like wasting time. Yeah, I understand. I understand. Um, how's it been how long has the break been and how's it been going for you? 2 weeks or so? Oh, so you really been living life. Nice. Nice. That's good. That's good. Also, I understand that you were taking a break from social media and Discord, but we have a new dev challenge here. We're starting something new.
courtesy of Pixel Buttercup. We have a new dev challenge. We're making like our own personal like blog sites if you want to join in, but if you don't, cool. It's perfectly fine. But yeah. At the end of the week, at the end of like this week, Sunday, this coming Sunday, not today Sunday, but this coming Sunday, we showcase our the site and not blog. I mean, the challenge is just to make your dream blog, whatever the blog in your head, what the blog is. You get to choose your own tech stack, and yeah, yeah. If you want to join in, great. If you don't want to, uh, I am understanding, but hopefully you'll join one of the dev challenges. This is something new that we're trying, but yeah, yeah. You're more than welcome to. I honestly, I was so scared. I thought I was never gonna hear from you again. I was gonna cry. Wait, did I say Oh, what did I do? What did I do? That did nothing. What did I just do? Oh, oh. Um, don't feel pressure to turn them on. I understand there was a time to where like my stream was like going on and offline and it was causing a whole lot of notifications, and I'm sorry. But I think I kind of sorted that out. Uh you've been around for that long. Dang. But yeah. Also I don't think where line where name uh I'll have the toggle stream notifications for each. Oh. Oh. Do you do the multi-stream thing? Or the multi-Twitch thing? Oh gosh. What's that? Oh, you get to watch like multiple streamers at once in like a tile format. It's good for like esports events too. Kinda not. If you use it for like esports events, because you get like multiple perspectives of like what's going on. I haven't used it in a while. Uh, it's crazy. You came in here right when Ever had got off. Huh? Huh? Okay. I'm gonna do this. What is the documentation for this? Please show me. It may be different for Angular, Fire, Web. Read. No, please. Oh, all good. Hello, Black Hat. Um, Are you going to be joining in on the blog site or no? No pressure, by the way. But also, I salute you for getting your work done as well. It's a working Sunday for us. Let me. What is it? Do you, undetermined depends on how much I have to do for the project. But I've been thinking about it. Well, it's really just wait. Your current projects or this project that I'm talking about? Um, is currently not available on the web version. Oh, they don't support Mac. But um, really, it's the blog that you want to make for yourself. So it could have all kinds of features, whatever you want. And you could choose your own tech stack, whatever. But at the end of the week, we just showcase whatever we have. Oh, good. Just serve a single text file. I mean, it counts. Let's get data. Wait, no. Get data. Get multiple options. Okay, this is what I want. Wait, I can't filter this. What am I doing? Line. Mm. Name. No. Line name. Hmm. Let's. Uh. I like how people can just switch from YouTube to Twitch if they prefer. I was really thinking about shutting down the whole Twitch thing. I think it's still lagging, but Bezos. Docs. So wait a minute. This is that, but like I need to get all of this out of here. That's disgusting. I prefer Twitch, but it's better for my PC while I'm doing stuff. Understandable. Understandable. Q query. Let's not do that. Uh const. Do I have this? Lines. Is this dot lines? Hold up. Search. Can I search through here? Lines for each line. Is that a bad thing to do? Status. Did that work? This is kind of stupid if that works. That's stupid. Really? I promise you. I promise you. I'm not serving any ads. I promise you I'm not doing this. This is all Jeff Bezos. I also like the fact this feature right here where it's the what is this? Like a picture and picture and picture and picture and picture. I love this effect so much. But you just don't get any. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Uh, I think I may say that this is okay right here and get back to the rest of this later today. I may take a break and come back at like 5. So like in probably like in an hour and a half. I promise I'm coming back at some point. I don't know if it's gonna be set to an hour and a half, but I'm coming back. Um, yeah, Mr. Chicken. I hope that I don't lose you forever. Just keep your eye on your direct messages in Discord so I can check on you because I was really worried. I thought something had happened that like was like life threatening or someone in your family like, something. But I am taking a break. Please don't say that. Please don't don't say that. Uh I will see y'all later. Peace.